We're in the largest worm farm in the world.
And the biggest worm castings producer in the country.
These worms, they help out our mission here at Royal Family Farms, which is regenerative agriculture. You see, the world is out of balance. Regenerative farming is how we get back in balance. Carbon, which is present in all living things, can help cause global warming when released into the atmosphere. The goal of regenerative farming is to take any excess carbon that would go into the air and instead upcycle it back into the soil.
The key to this is the ruminant. Their four-part stomach is the magic maker.
Cattle break down what would otherwise be food waste and turn it into protein. Then we use their manure, naturally packed with microbials, to enrich the soil, folding the carbon back into the earth.
People who do composting in their backyard, we're doing the same thing, but just in a very large scale here.
Healthy soil is a healthy ecosystem. That is why we use carbon sequestration and cover crops to feed that carbon back into the ground, rather than just extract from it. And it turns out the cover crops that treat the soil the best are the plants that the ruminants eat, so everything feeds back into the system. It's a balanced cycle, all based on nature's recycling centers, cattle.
It's only once we're in balance that we can produce sustainably at scale.
Regenerative means more productive and more nutrient dense. Besides the largest worm bed farm in the world, we produce 90,000 gallons of milk and 70,000 pounds of beef a day. We grow thousands of tons of potatoes, peas, corn, apples, and cherries. And not to mention, we plant over 100,000 trees a year on our 14,000-acre farm. As generational farmers, all of our thinking is long-term. From leaf to beef, every bit fits into a healthy ecosystem.
The next goal here at Royal Family Farming is to become carbon negative.
It will take a lot of hard work, complex science, and a lot of cattle.